Welcome back to DIY Gaskets. Today we're going to be doing a walk-in style cooler. It's a basic generic style cooler. There's no, the make is not on there. It's just a generic style cooler. Open it up. This particular one is a 5/16 style. We've worked on them before. 5/16 is just that gray style, just that exposed track. First thing to do is go ahead and measure your gasket up. Make sure that you have the proper size from side to side, top to bottom. It's always best to start in one particular corner, whatever makes you more comfortable. There you go. Start peeling it back. Be careful, just in case it's brittle. This one's in good shape, not too worried about it, but still just want to be careful. This downward pulling motion stretches out the dart quite a bit, so it makes it easy to extract. This is a 3-sided gasket, so it's 1, 2, 3 sides. The bottom has a sweep. We're not going to be doing the sweep today, just the gasket. Always make sure you wipe out the track a little bit. Again, this one's in good shape. Now, take your replacement gasket, set it across, start in whatever corner you like. And just like the other time we did the 5/16, this little rolling action here will help insert right into the channel pretty quick. Same thing on this side. Once you got your corner secure, it's pretty much easy. Just feeding it into the channel, nice and easy. Always good to double check with your mallet. It's a gray gasket, so using a light color mallet is better. If I use the black, it might stain or tarnish the gray side. Once you've done this once or twice, you can pretty much tell what it's in. Okay, now we're completed. All 3 sides have been installed. Looks nice and tight all the way around. Make sure it closes nice. Door closes reacting. Nice, good solid seal here. Just to be safe, start running this heat gun in here. And you can play with solar time. You can use a regular heat gun or a hairdryer works, but these heat guns are not that expensive. Paint stripper heat gun, I guess they would call this. And all this is going to do is secure your seal all the way around. Over time, it'll start to mold itself to the opening that you have. Most important part is that it shuts well. You don't want to leave this heat gun in any particular spot for any long period of time. Easy install. That took less than 15 minutes to do. In and out, all set.